Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, it can cost you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we will explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a GMC YUKON or YUKON XL. That generation here from year 2007 to year 2014. If you have a problem where the AC air conditioner blows hot on driver's side but cold on passenger side, in this video today we will explain what can easily cause that, where you can buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, interior, electrical, engine codes, almost absolutely everything. Why we do that guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. We have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And on this channel alone today guys, we're going to be making a video about every single fuse relay in that GMC YUKON or YUKON XL. Why? Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere guys, you need to find where the fuel pump fuse relay is located, where fuel injector fuse is located. All you have to do, watch the video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, you're back on the road. So we make it for your convenience guys. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and if you need to buy parts and tools, we'll put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, that way do not waste money and time. So let's start on it now. So guys, if the AC blows hot on the driver's side vent but cold on the passenger side, what can easily guys cause that? It could be multiple things, but first guys we need to check some fuses. Then we will explain 7 out of 10 what actually causes that, and it's a device that we've seen that sometimes fails as early as 8,000 miles. So you have multiple fuse boxes, one on the side of the dash here that looks like this one, and you have under the hood as well on the driver's side. Under that cover is the main engine fuse box. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, here what we need to check specifically. Okay, it's first you need to check your fuses guys, okay, for the climate control fuses. For any of you that don't know where they're located, we have the video on our channel, climate control fuse location on GMC YUKON. Now 7 out of 10 times it's something else. And if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, we'll put a link in the description of the video below, that way you do not waste guys your resources. That thing is known as a blind door actuator. On a dual climate control vehicle you have 2 of them, single climate control you have 1. So when you have dual climate control, you have one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side, and it attaches to a flap that regulates the temperature. On the inside you have multiple plastic gears, okay, and a motor. Usually those gears will crack, teeth will chip off, break, wear out, or the motor will quit working, and as a result guys, okay, the AC may be stuck in hot position. Even though it works perfectly fine, it will blow hot air because of a bad blind door actuator. If you want to see how to test blind door actuator and the symptoms of bad blind door actuator, we have videos on our channels that will teach you guys how to do that step by step. They're not very expensive, they cost only a few dollars paid, but eventually they do fail because you can see it just made out of plastic guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, see you next time.